Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a Zelle recipient on Chase. Open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Pay and Transfer. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Pay Bills and Send Money with Zelle. Click on Pay Bills and Send Money with Zelle. On this page, you will see a blue text that says Add New Recipient. Click on Add New Recipient. Next, click on Send Money with Zelle. Now, enter the recipient's name and a nickname, though it's optional. Next, enter the recipient's Zelle email or Zelle phone number. After entering, click on Next. Lastly, review the following details. If everything looks good, click on Add Recipient. And now you will see a message saying that the recipient has been added. That's how you add a Zelle recipient on Chase. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.